Hey, what's happening, y'all? So, I'm just on here to basically this just gonna be a quick video, just kind of show my process on how I would prep, for my reload. Anyway, this is what I call this a no-go gauge, or it's called a no-go gauge. I believe it's another name for it, but I just can't think about it right now. Anyway. These brass right here, they basically ready to go. I can go ahead and put them either on the tumbler or I could just go ahead and load them up. And this one right here, this one is freshly fired still. As you can see, the primer is still on there. And yeah, I'm just using an old, y'all know me, man. Got the Harbor Freight caliper. You know what I mean? Anyway, so how I do this is basically I check the shoulders on this. I know this should be like 1465 or something like that on the shoulder. Anyway, here, come on, let's just do this. So this is how I check the shoulder, right? Y'all see it's on 0. And so I'll check it. It puts me at 1465, right? So these right here, I got it from over here. These should be about the same. These are already ready. 1464.5, it'll work. So now we're going to take this one that needs to be prepped, okay, to the press so we can go ahead and, size it up and deprime it. But before I do that, what I like to do is I utilize my no-go gauge and I just drop it in there. As you see, it stopped. And you got, I can't push that down no more. Excuse the camera, y'all. But anyway, it's not going in, okay? That's why it's called a no-go gauge. So I'll use this one, the one I already prepped. Every single last one of these will go straight down in that hole with no problem. Uh-oh. My bad, y'all. Moving a little too quick here. So all of them, all 5 of these are ready to go. Like I said, we only have this one left. So I actually have about 100 and something already ready for me to size and decap, but just wanted to show y'all with this one. I'm putting a little lube on there so I can go ahead and set it up on a die. Okay, just a little bit to where you can barely tell. You probably can't even see it. But anyway, we'll take it on down to the press. All right, so I got it on the press, y'all. I am running a Hornady AP. So we'll just go ahead and run it up. That was the primer that came down. And here we go. So let's take this on back to the bench. All right, y'all. So we're back on the bench. So this is our newly sized brass. We'll go ahead and check the shoulder bump on it. There it is. It's at 1465. So the reason why I went on ahead and utilized the no-go gauge before I even size it is to make sure, one, in case I'm going too fast, I'm not redoing the brass, right? And plus, just to show y'all uh, what that no-go gauge will tell you, or how it tells you it ain't no good. So now we'll go ahead and drop this brass that we just sized up. Voila. There it is, y'all. It's flushed all the way. Okay. So, and it drops on down. So that's how I simply prep my brass. And after I size it up and deprime it, I go ahead and check it, and voila, there it is, y'all. It's precisely where it needs to be. There's no trimming involved or needed for this brass. Like I said earlier, I can go ahead and tumble these brass right here and clean them out, or I could go ahead and load them up. You know what I mean? So that's just my simple process of reloading, or shall I say prepping my brass before reloading. Alright, y'all. Remember, you can, yeah, fix it too. Till next time.